Hello guys and welcome to today's Saturday crypto updated video. Guys, as I fucking told you, every single fucking thing that I told you about in the last crypto updated video has happened with the fucking big results. Big fucking results. Look at USDT dominance, bro. Look at Bitcoin. We are at $103,000 fucking dollar. And my next target is 106,000, as you can fucking see. Everything that I told you about. Ethereum is at 2,500, bro. We saw some fucking 45% bump on Ethereum. Look at all of the meme coins, bro. Look at this meme coin. Brett is up 100,000. Oh my god, bro, 100%. Pepe is up 84%. Near is up 43%. Shiba is up. Like, you got the point, bro. Like, what the actual fuck? Like, all of the things that I told you about in the last crypto updated video has happened. Like, and I already told you, massive crypto move incoming. Weekly market breakdown. Like, can you imagine, bro? Can you fucking imagine? And I literally told you about everything. Like, listen.
And once we broke through these lows, USDT dominance is going to rip down and eventually took out these lows.
Like, bro, I told you by a fucking once USDT dominance break out these lows, we will go to see USDT dominance reach out these lows, bro. Literally the same exact thing that I told you about. And also, bro, look at the fucking my tweets on X. You're going to fucking USDT dominance is going to rip down 30 April. Like, look at this fucking piece of art. Can you fucking see? I told you this is accumulation phase, manipulation phase, and then the distribution is going to be right here. And you can't fucking say nothing about that one, bro. You can't say nothing about that one. So next thing right here, next target for Bitcoin when it was at the $96,000. I fucking told you, bro. By the way, if you wanna see all of those my tweets on X, you can find the link down below in the bio. My username is Lagicode at Lagicode00. You can find out on X. Next thing, we have some major fucking big news came up this week and the next week as well. So if you want to listen to all of this news, don't forget to smash up the like button, to hit that subscribe button. Let's go, guys. We reached $200. We reached 200 followers and 200 legends clicked on that subscribe button. So as a reward, and as I fucking promised you guys in the last video, I told you once we reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a strategy reveal video. Basically, me showing up my strategy and all of that thing. Very professional. I'm going to do a very edited video and very well video that you can definitely get the benefit from it. So now I'm working on the video. Keep your guys updated. Make sure you guys hit that notification button so you can see the video when it drops. And let's get started to today's fucking video. And it's so fucking fire, bro. So fucking fire. So let's start with USDT dominance, as I always do. So USDT dominance, everything that I told you about, literally every single thing. We are in a downtrend. I told you we broke this daily uptrend. As you can see, this daily uptrend. So hold on, let me give it like here so you can see properly. This is the daily uptrend, and we just broke below it, and we entered into an accumulation phase, and then we saw the manipulation, and we filled up this gap, and then boom, distribution to the downside, and eventually now price did took out these lows. And as I fucking told you about, I'm still fucking bullish on crypto. I told you about it when we were at fucking $76,000 per Bitcoin. Now look at it. I'm the only one who stayed up bullish, bro. I kept buying the dips. I kept buying the dips. I sold my fucking phone. I told you guys, I sold my fucking phone to buy the dip. What else, bro? I'm literally phoneless, and I bought the dip with my all. I got all in. I entered to the market all in. I had no fucking cash on me. I put it all on crypto. I sold my phone. I sold every single thing, my bike, every single thing to buy crypto. I went all in. I worked my ass off in the holiday and the fucking every day to come up with a little cash to put it into crypto. I was a fucking crazy guy, bro. To be honest, I took the risk and I deserve the pump right now. I deserve the reward right now, bro. I deserve the reward. So now, what is happening? Currently, I still think that we can see another leg down to eventually take out these lows, but then we will probably see some retracement back to fill in this gap, and maybe some accumulation. To be honest, price is not going like I always say to you. There's no move like this in the market, and there's no move like this in the market. There will always be an uptrend considered from the higher highs and the higher lows, like some of this, and the up down trend is going to be something like this. We are not going to see the this leg without any retracement. Eventually we're going to see the retracement back, but everything is bullish on crypto, especially on Bitcoin. Everything looks fucking fire. Let's go on to the Bitcoin chart right now, and we literally saw Bitcoin coming up and breaking above this rising wedge that I drew to you, and I told you that the target for this rising wedge will be, hold on, at the $102,000, and we already reached that. So price now maybe is going to reverse, fill in this gap, maybe because now it's weekend, maybe price is going to create a semi gap and probably going to reverse into it. But also I have one thing to tell you about, that this semi gap on the $91,000 did not close fully. So if we want to see another leg up to eventually create another all-time high for Bitcoin, probably we're going to see now the all-time high got created, and maybe you're going to see $120,000 per Bitcoin, and then eventually we're going to see the rip down. Maybe we're going to see the retracement. I'm not bearish. I'm not being bearish. I'm telling you that the price and the trend, like, it is formed by the higher highs and the higher lows. There is no such a thing as bump and dump. There is no such a thing as that, and I believe in this idea, bro. I believe in this. The higher highs, the higher lows. Have you ever seen the price pumping up like crazy without any retracement? As you can see, we pump up, we pump up, we pump up, then we saw the retracement. I told you about this literally every single time. Every single time. Look, pump, then retrace, pump, then retrace, pump, then retrace, and so on and so forth. And you guys you should fucking listen to me on this one, because I told you that Bitcoin is going to be at the $106,000 literally the next week, the last week. Last week I just uploaded a video and I told you the next upcoming moves will be fucking crazy on crypto. Also the same exact thing on Ethereum. I told you about it, bro. I already told you I told you that you can now buy Ethereum up at $1,400 and you're still not buying it. You could fucking buy Ethereum as under $2,000 in 2025, bro. 2025 you could, like, that shit is fucking crazy, bro. Why all the people are still bearish, bro? I don't get it, bro. Literally don't get it. I told you we're going to break down of this rising wedge or the falling wedge, and we're going to see Ethereum eventually take out these 2,100 and eventually to take out these $2,555 per Ethereum. And literally the same exact thing has happened. And I'm going to show you now. Look at what President Trump has just said in the crypto market.
And we don't do. I want crypto. I think crypto is important because if we don't do it, China's going to. Mm-hmm. And it's new. Mm-hmm. It's very popular. Mm-hmm. It's very hot. If you look at the market, when the market went down, that stayed much stronger than other aspects of the market. But I want crypto because a lot of people, millions of people want it. I don't know if you know that Biden went after it violently, and then before the election, he changed his tune entirely. He's head of the SEC. Everybody changed their tune. You know why? Because there were hundreds of millions of people that are participating in crypto, and they wanted to get their votes.
Can you fucking imagine, bro? Can you fucking imagine how bullish this is? Can you fucking imagine how bullish this thing is? The President of the United States, Donald fucking Trump, is very, very, very familiar with crypto. He wants crypto. He said he will fucking support crypto, and he likes crypto. And for the next 4 years, he will be the president. So now imagine by yourself. Imagine how will that affect the market. I told you, when the president is bullish on crypto and bullish on Bitcoin, you need to fucking remove the word bearish from your head, bro. I literally told you about this one. Why won't you fucking listen to me, bro? I don't know what is happening with you. Literally. The next thing, look at this tweet, bro. Look at this tweet. At the 8th of May, when everything went down, I did the analysis on my Bybit chart. And look at this. I told you, this is a bullish order flow. The higher highs, the higher lows. The higher highs, the higher lows. Also, this purple zone is the I think the golden zone of the Fibonacci extension, and also this green rectangle is the fair value gap of the monthly time frame, and this support is actually this resistance has just turned into a support. So this is, and also we have this blue line is also a support of this trend line. So this zone is a very strong area that could potentially send the price higher. And literally, exactly fucking as I fucking predicted, bro. As I fucking predicted. The 8th of May, when everything went down, when everything saying the bull market is over, when everything saying we are into a bear market, when everyone said that crypto market is dead and Bitcoin is dead and going to zero. I told you my long-term vision about Bitcoin, bro. I told you. No, at the 10th of April, I posted this post. The 10th of April. And now, you can say nothing, bro. You can say fucking nothing. Also, actually on Wednesday, we had the FOMC statement. And we saw Jerome Powell finally speaks about all of that crap. And we actually saw the Fed kept the rates at 4.5 or 4.25%, I guess, and did not cut the rates. But he was actually not very wrong about that one, because he thinks about the long-term vision about the economy of the US, and he said he will eventually cut the rates in the future, but not now, because he thinks that after the inflation is down and and the cost of living is down, and he was fearful of the tariffs if it can fuck the economy up, and after he cuts the rates he will see himself and the economy statement is fucking blocked. So he didn't want to take that risk, and Trump is not very happy with him. He literally told you the cost down, no inflation, very different from what the Fed and the fake news media. Trump have a very strong vision and he's very confident about his decision, but Actually, Jerome Powell is also sticking to his rules, and he said he will not listen to anyone beside his work, and he will continue doing his work as he always do. The next thing that U.S. Treasury Basin just said USA should be the premier destination for Bitcoin and crypto. This is fucking bullish. The SEC now and the U.S. Treasury, sorry about that one. Treasury said this thing. So listen.
We believe that the United States should be the premier destination for digital assets, and as members of this committee and the Senate are attempting to do, create good market structure around that, so that U.S. best practices are used around the world.
And that's really the point, right? Is having American, U.S. best practices.
Like, can you fucking bro? I can't even talk anymore. The Fed is going to cut the rates eventually, but not just now. And also, we saw some big inflows in the ETFs, bro. This week has been some fucking crazy thing. Like, look at this. 5 of May. Have $531 million in inflows. 6th of May, $36 million from just BlackRock. 7th of May, 37 million. 8th of May, 69 million. 9th of May, $356 million in inflows from just BlackRock, and also as well as the other institutions. Like, look at this thing. I literally told you about. They will fucking tell you that they are selling and there is no future, and that they are actually accumulating in secrets. They are telling you that it is over for crypto, but then you are just getting played out, bro. You are just getting played out. Everyone thinks you are a fool and he wants to take the money from you. The smart money actually works, and they are taking your money and your profit away from you. Actually, on Ethereum also we saw some inflows. $20 million BlackRock, and also as well as Grayscale $3.2 million. Also Trump company which is also buying Ethereum and Bitcoin, and the son of Trump, which is Eric Trump. Also, hold on, I'm going to show you now what Eric Trump just tweets this week. So he said, "Good morning, Bitcoin at 100k," and also he said, "Can't wait the Bitcoin conf." There's a Bitcoin conference. Is going to happen on 27 to 29 of May. It's going to be at Las Vegas, and he's going to be the leader as well as his father Donald Trump, and he now is quite active on announcing and tweeting about Bitcoin and crypto. And I think, like, this is fucking crazy. The president itself is so bullish on crypto. His son is bullish on crypto. All of the companies and the institutions are buying Bitcoin and crypto. And the White House is setting a new rules and the new executive orders supporting with Bitcoin and crypto. And the USDT dominance start dropping, and the other altcoins are started pumping. Ethereum started outperforming Bitcoin. Like, look at this one. Ethereum now is up 6% on the day, while Bitcoin is only up 0.2% on the day. You could imagine how big the altcoin season and how big the bull run is going to be. Also, Bitcoin dominance is now dropping hard. That means the money is now floating into altcoins. Like, bro, you can't imagine how big we are in crypto right now, and we are actually going to see a lot more better and good prices and pumps coming up in the next upcoming days. So this was the crypto updated video for today. I hope you guys benefit from this video. I hope you guys made some money from this move, and I wish you guys make more money in the next upcoming days. So without further ado, or with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys once again for the 200 subscribers. I'm willing to continue my work up with you guys, and I hope we can reach another level of on the community and actually grow the channel even more. So let me give you guys a little thank you Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing, for every little buddy. Thank you for even clicking on this video. Thank you for liking the videos, and every single fucking one of you guys is a fucking legend, and I believe in you that you're going to make it. So stay tuned for the video of the strategy reveal. I'm going to complete working on it right now, and I will update you guys once I upload it to YouTube so you can watch it properly, and I hope that you will get benefit from that video. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching once again. I hope you guys benefit, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.